Hi everyone, my name is Shayna from WTI, and these charcoal exfoliating cleansing pads are a real game changer. This charcoal pad is from LAPCOS, and I love these so much. It comes in a 5-pack. I'm a huge fan of Korean beauty products, and this treatment is great for acne-prone skin, hyperpigmentation, dry, dull-looking skin, or even aging skin. And this pad has a white milky substance on it, and you use the black side and you run it all over your face to gently exfoliate. And you can really see the pad at work with removing your dead skin cells, leaving you with a more clear complexion, pores reduced, and your skin moisturized. So these pads really have helped to clear my skin, and I love the way my skin feels after using them, and that's my point of view.